Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power mirrors, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, push button start, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth upholstery, side airbag system, dual airbags. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.